Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while. I'll write all about what's happening in my blog post, but today we're making the perfect fried egg. So you only need a couple ingredients for this: butter, salt, a little bit of water, an egg as fresh as you can get, pepper, a pan and a lid. Okay, so let's get right in. First, you'll want to melt the butter in a pan. You can use oil for this. I choose to use butter because I feel it gives some more flavor. Plain fried egg can be a bit, bland, but you can use oil, or if your non-stick pan is really good, then use nothing. I'm using a metal spatula, I know, and do as I say, not as I do. Use a wooden or plastic. I just broke mine and it was kind of tragic. So yeah, do as I say, not as I do. Next, when the butter's melted, not hot or, bubbling, pour in the egg. My egg isn't as fresh as I'd like here, so I am going to do something with that later. But I'm going to show you how to crack an egg into the pan. Never crack your egg on the side of a pot or pan. Make sure you do it on a flat surface. This makes sure you don't break the yolk, and it makes sure the egg comes out nice and easily. So always crack your egg on a flat surface, not on the side of a pan or anything like that. So you can see the whites around it. There's like 3 parts to an egg: the yolk, the first white and the second white. Okay, so the watery bit, I took it off, and you'll see here now I now have the second bit of the white, the first bit of the white and the yolk, and it's settling up really nicely. So when the butter starts to sizzle, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of water. The reason why I'm adding water is because it creates steam, and this will cook the white through. If you eat raw white, that's what makes people sick. You want to make sure the white is cooked. The yolk you can have runny, but you don't want the white to be runny, okay? And this takes about 30 seconds, so just put some water in and cover it with a lid and let it steam for about 30 seconds, okay? Now that's done, you just want to lift it off, and I give it a wobble. It looks like I was doing it vigorously, but I'm pretty sure mine was cooked, so it didn't break apart. And the way I test it is just by touching it, and if it's not gooey, if it's all dry, then that means your white is perfectly cooked. You can see on that one there's a bit of white going onto the yolk. That's when you've not overcooked, but that's when you've covered it for too long. So now you can season with salt and some pepper, and your egg is pretty much ready. So it's up to you. You can go further. If you don't want to flip your eggs, you can just cover it and let it steam for longer, and you will get the over eggs like that. But there you go, nice and jiggly, perfect fried egg. Enjoy.